Good evening all. Today we are going to make colocasia vadi. So let's start. I have taken 5 leaves of colocasia and clean it and wash it and gently wipe it. So we need to slice the leaf and remove the thick veins from the leaves. So see, I am doing that, and we need to use very clean leaves, fresh ones. So you can ask to your vendor that he would give you fresh leaves. So this is the ready. I am using the knife. Slowly we have to place bigger leaf at the bottom and smaller at the top, so we can roll it very easily. So this is the ready, and you can just simply roll on so that you can spread the batter evenly, and I am just rolling with the pin. So these are ready leaves. So in another side we are doing the mixture for the applying. So this is the 1 cup of besan, Bengal gram flour, salt 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon chili powder. Chili powder you can take your according to your taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander jeera powder, 1 teaspoon green chili and garlic ginger paste, and 2 tablespoons of tamarind jaggery pulp. Tamarind jaggery pulp is very essential because of calcium oxalate present in the leaves. The itching very occurs for the hands and tongue and throat. So adding of tamarind is very important. Else you can add lemon juice. Mix it very well, and if you require water you can add. So I have added here 1/4 cup of water. If you need it, don't add too much of water, else it will fall very easily, and the batter should be thick. Okay, so the batter is ready. Now please taste the batter before applying. If you need salt you can add. So take bigger leaf at the bottom and spread the batter all over the leaf, and you need to put on sides as well. So when you are putting another leaf, the tip should be in opposite direction. The leaf should be in opposite direction so that rolling will be very easily. So this is the third leaf, and the tip is at the opposite side and veins are the other side. So these are ready. Apply the paste on all leaves evenly so that rolling can become easier, and fold the just sides of these leaves. So this is looking very yummy. Roll it and apply the paste on folds as well, else what will happen, the folds will open, so it will be very unmanageable. So roll it up accordingly and apply the paste on folds as well, and just start rolling. I have taken only 5 leaves. You can take 10 leaves or 15 leaves. My vendor gave me these only fresh leaves were available with him. So next side, the steamer is very ready. We need to steam the leaves for 15 to 20 minutes. Grease the steamer with the oil. You can put a banana leaf over there. I'm not having banana leaf, so I have directly kept on the steamer. And so let's wait for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, here is. So this is ready, and cut the roll in around 1/2 inch of slices. Yeah. And now we are going towards tempering. So heat the oil, add cumin 1/2 teaspoon, mustard seeds 1/2 teaspoon, and sesame seeds, we called white safed til in Hindi. So sesame seeds are very important. So our tempering is getting ready, and we need to saute the colocasia slices we made from the roll. So these are here. Saute for few minutes. 2 to 3 minutes are very enough. Very carefully. You can garnish with the grated coconut, fresh coconut, and coriander leaves. So you can serve with your any favorite chutney, and this is the evening tea snack is ready. You can give it to anybody like a guest with the tea. Wow, this is very delicious, and it's looking so yummy. And garnish with the coriander leaves. Here evening snacks is ready. So thanks for watching my